everyone, I'm Claire Tolentino from Alpha Gold Agency of Pru Life UK, and today I'm here to share with you my Pru Life journey. So before Pru Life, I used to work in a call center. Nag 1 year ako sa call center, and then after that, I decided to resign kasi na-realize ko medyo matagal ang growth, and at the same time, yung health ko that time medyo nagkaroon ng changes, no? So I stopped working in a call center, and then nagsarili ako na business. So, nagtayo ako ng laundry shop. Tapos, I also sold yung mga bags, clothes, and shoes online. Lahat ng mga bazaars, ina-attendan ko na rin, no? And also, this was the time na I took up my second course. Nag-nursing ako. So, this was back in 2005, nung time na uso pa yung nursing. So, after that, I met a friend, no? And sabi niya sa akin, Claire, parang interesado ka naman sa business, diba? So, meron daw siyang i-share sa akin na business. Sabi niya, eto na business, Claire, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking kapital. Tapos, wala ka pang overhead expense kasi hindi mo kailangan magrenta, wala kang babayarang sweldo and mga other expenses, no? Tapos, pwede kang kumita ng millions dito even if hindi ka nagpalabas ng malaking pera. So, that time, I was really interested, no? And since this is a business, pwede ko pa rin siyang gawin at my own time, at my own pace. And then, ang pinakamaganda pa dito is, meron siyang free international trips. So, that's why, because of these things, I decided to join Pru Life UK back in 2006. And that time, actually, wala namang mawala sa akin kasi I was just 21 years old. So, I was single, and I really want to have a lot of things. Madami akong dreams that time, no? So, how Pru Life changed my life? Number one talaga is income. So, noon kasi when I was still in a call center, tapos nung nag-business pa ako, ang income ko is hindi nag-aabot ng 200,000. So, I mean in 1 year na yon ha. So, 100 plus thousand in the entire year, kung i-divide mo siya by 12, sobrang liit, diba? But because of Pru Life, no, actually dito ko nakita na yung 1 year income ko noon, pwede ko nakitain ng monthly dito sa Pru Life. Ang maganda kasi sa Pru is performance-based siya. So, basta lang hardworking ka, ginagawa mo yung business talaga, yung activities everyday, talagang pwede kang kumita na malaki. So, because of the income, nagkaroon din ako ng sarili kong investment. So, number one, I became a client of Pru. Nagkuha ako ng sarili kong policies. Tapos, nag-invest din ako in real estate. So, I bought my first condo when I was still at 23 years old. And then, of course, may travels nga sa Pru Life, no? So, ito yung aming Asian travel. So, we have Hongkong, Malaysia, pumunta rin kami ng Japan. Tapos, ito yung very memorable na trip for me kasi this was my very first travel with Pru. Pinapunta kami ng Toronto, Canada. Libre yan lahat, no? Libre yung flight, libre yung hotel, libre ang tours pagdating doon. Tapos, ito din yung first time na nag-attend ako ng MDRT convention kasi this was also my first time to qualify as an MDRT. And this was back in 2008. Ang MDRT kasi is very prestigious kasi sabi nila it's only the top 2 or 3% of life insurance agents worldwide ang nagiging member dito. And because nandun na rin kami sa Canada, malapit na rin ang New York and Washington, so nilibot na rin namin, no? Pumunta kaming US sa East Coast, and then second trip ko with Pru Life is Moscow, Russia. No? Dati hindi ko naman naiisip puntahan ito, pero talagang maganda ang Russia. Okay? And then nag-Hawaii din kami. Tapos ito naman ang pinaka-first na Europe country na napuntahan ko. So this is in Rome, Italy. So syempre ang Vatican kasi is nasa loob na ng Rome. So pumunta na rin kaming Vatican. Nilibot na rin namin ng Italy, nag-Venice kami, nag-Pisa kami. Tapos, eto noon, nakikita ko lang, diba, sa mga TV, sa libro. So, iba ang feeling pag nandun ka na. So, that's why, very memorable din ang Paris for me, no? And then, I also went to Lucerne, Switzerland. Tapos, eto sa Austria, sa Belgium, and sa Amsterdam. Eto naman, I'm with my mom, no? Siya yung kasama ko dyan sa camel. So, this is in Dubai. Eto is my first son, Toby. So, we were able to bring him when he was 1 year old pa sa London, sa UK. And syempre, di ba, ang Pru Life headquarters natin is nandun din sa London. So, this is the Holborn Bar's office sa Prudential London. Okay, and Scotland is also malapit na sa London, so nilibot rin namin. And then, eto naman is just last year lang. Eto, I think, is the pinakamalayong lugar na napuntahan ko kasi parang 25 hours, no, yung trip going there lang. So, this is in Iceland. And still, Toby was with us, no, and he is already 2 years old sa time na yan. Tapos, malapit na rin ang Denmark and ang Sweden. So, that's why nilibot na rin namin. Okay, so, eto yung mga countries, no, na, di ba kung kunwari, at our own expense, puntahan natin sila, medyo mahal talaga yon, di ba? Since libre ni Pru Life, libre yung flight, libre lahat, libre ang kain, so iba talaga ang feeling ng libre, di ba? That's why I'm very thankful na I decided to join Pru Life. And because of that, no, yung changes sa life ko, my husband and I decided to put up our own agency. So that's why in 2018, we opened up our Alpha Gold agency kasi nga sabi sa MDRT, no, if you have grown because of someone, let others grow because of you. So, ibig sabihin, kung ano po yung mga na-enjoy ko sa Pru Life, ang pinaka-mission ko ngayon is gusto ko lahat ng friends ko, lahat ng makakilala ko, kung pwede lahat ng mga kaibigan ko, no, magkaroon din ng changes yung life nila. Gusto ko, hopefully, na sila rin kumikita din ng mas malaki, makakapag-travels din. And also, in this business, pinaka-importante sa lahat is for us to dream big again, no? Kasi iba kasi ang feeling na meron kang mga pangarap tapos naaabot mo, 'di ba? And dito have nothing to lose, no, but everything to gain. So apart from income, apart from travels, apart from self-development, marami kang pwedeng matutunan at makuha dito sa Pru Life. And I really hope na marami din akong friends na matulungan because of this. So, again, no, we are encouraging you to dream big, and all you have to do lang talaga is to decide, no, to go for your dreams, no, and once you act on your dreams, wala na pong imposible, no, lahat pwede mo talagang makuha. You just have to believe it and you have to do something about it. So, thank you very much for listening to my story, and I hope na naka-inspire din ako kahit paano sa inyo. Let's work on your dreams together. So, thank you very much for your time and God bless you.